Apple devices have a useful feature that allows users to make and receive their iPhone phone calls on their iPad or Mac. This provides a convenient way for users to make and receive phone calls on other Apple devices when their iPhone is not around them. While it is a great feature, it can also become intrusive, especially if you share your iPad or Mac with other people in your household. Thankfully, you can easily turn this feature off and prevent phone calls from ringing on your iPad and Mac. In this guide, we will show you exactly how you can do this. On your iPhone, launch the Settings app and scroll all the way down. Tap on Apps. On the next page, search for Phone and tap on it. Now you have arrived on the Phone Settings page. Here, look for the Calls on Other Devices option and tap on it. On the next screen, you will have a master toggle that will let you turn off this feature and a list of devices on which phone calls are allowed. You can either disable the toggle for one of the devices here or turn this feature completely off by turning off the Allow Calls on Other Devices toggle. After doing this, you can exit the Settings app. This is how you can prevent iPhone calls from ringing on your iPad and Mac and turn off the feature that could allow anyone from making phone calls from these devices. If you like this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.